I'm Nico from Perfect Laser. This is my honor to take this opportunity to introduce our fiber laser cutting machine. Um, our live show will begin now. Are you ready? Okay. I'm today's host, Nico. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Sorry, wait a moment. Till now, we have over 20 years history in laser field. Our main products including laser engraving machine, laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and more than 20 several 300 types. All our machines have got CE, ISO, RoHS, certificate and certificated by the international institutions such as TUV and SGS. We have got 63 national patents. Local technical achievements can reach to the international advanced level. As a result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and everywhere in the world, including Germany, USA, Japan, Russia, Korea, South Africa, and Turkey, and so on, and other countries. And we have got good reputation from our teammates. From our customers all over the world. Hello, Jack. Hello. Thanks for watching our live show. I'm today's host Nico. I will introduce you the laser cutting machine for you. Okay, first I will show you a video of our company. Okay. Besides me, it is a video of our company. You can see a brief introduction of our company. Here is our office. Now this is on the screen. It is our laser cutting machine. Here is the engineer with making the products. Hello, Dixon. Hello, welcome to our live show of laser cutting machine. Here is a video of our company for laser cutting machine. Our company has been in this field over 23 years. Today I will introduce different kinds of laser cutting machine for you to choose. The video showing is our company. We have different products like advertising, like laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and so on. And we also supply some advertising products like inkjet printer, wall printer, and channel letter bending machine, and so on. Here I have sent you our catalog. Okay, this is our building. This is our building and our company gate. If you have chance to visit us, you will into our company from this gate. And this is our factory building in the environment. And this is the coupons which you can enjoy. When order over $3,000 or $7,000, you can enjoy 100 discount. And the warranty, usually we just allow 12 months warranty, and in today's live show, you will enjoy 24 months warranty. Okay, here shows some samples for our laser cutting machine. The first one is can cut stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, brass, carbon steels, and some other metal materials. Fiber laser cutting machine is the highest precision, so you can see the cutting edge is very smooth and very beautiful. It is no burn, no black, and no some other bad effects. Hello, welcome to our our live show for laser cutting machine. Here are some samples, and this is some application industry. It can be used for hardware, to cut lamp, and it can also be applied to car industry and some other machineries, such also can be into kitchenware and bodybuildings, and it is with wide application industry. And here I introduce our 3 hot selling models. The first is model PF3040. This is a small size. The first one is a small size laser cutting machine. Can be used for some small size metal sheet cutting, and it is with a 4 cabinet. It is very safe and very popular for some European and US customers. The second model is an open flatbed type. You can see it is used for 3 large area. The working area can be up to the standard is 3 by 1.5 meters. The length is 3 meters. The width is 1.5 meters. And the third model is the most popular model. It can be used to cut both metal sheet and round pipe. These three models are most three hot-selling models. Of course, we also supply some other models. If you have interest, you can welcome to scan our website. Okay, first let's to introduce the most hot-selling model with working area 300 by 300. Of course, this can also enjoy 300 by 3 by 400 millimeter. It is a small size which used to cut small size metal sheets, and it including computer and with 4 universal wheels. It can be moved easily to around your factory. You can see the appearance. It is very beautiful with good design. Okay, here you can see the working video of this small size model with 4 cabinets. You can see the cutting speed is very fast. And with very high cutting speed and high test cutting precision. Hello, James. Hi, welcome to our module for laser cutting machine. I will introduce. If you have any questions, welcome to send to us. I will try my best to introduce more for you and help to solve any problems of you. Okay, next, this is the machine configuration of the machine. You can see it including the cutting hand, PC, and the computer, and the platform, and double rig driver. About here to introduce you more details for this machine. First is about application. This small size fiber laser cut machine is widely applied for cutting carbon steel, metal steel, stainless steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, galvanized steel sheet, and some other, and all kinds of material, all kinds of metal materials. It can be widely applied in sheet metal processing, space flight, in electronic applications, subway parts, automobile, machinery, processing components, ships, and all many different industry. Hi James, hi Jules, welcome to our live show. If you have any problem, just send to us, okay? Here's a brief introduction and of the different power for different cutting thickness. Usually will supply 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, 3000 watts, 4000 watts, and 6000 watts. And with different power, it can be used. It can cut different thickness of different materials. Here you can choose the right power based on this form, such as 1000 watts for carbon steel. The max cutting thickness is 8 mm. Of course, it can also cut 10 mm, but it is not suggested to cut frequently, as it may apart or broken the laser source. And for stainless steel, it can cut max 3 to 4 millimeters. And sometimes you can use to cut 4 millimeters stainless steel. And here this is for 3000 watts, 4000 watts, and 6000 watts. You can see for 6000 watts, for carbon steel it can cut to max 20 millimeters. Of course, it can also cut 22 or 24 millimeters at most. And for stainless steel, it can be used to 10 millimeters. Of course, it can be used to 16 millimeters at most. And here is for different materials with different carbon with different speed. Of course, the thicker of the materials, the slower the speed. Here you can see. And this is for, and with different material we can choose different assistant gas, usually including nitrogen gas or oxygen gas. For carbon steel, by nitrogen gas. And this is cutting speed for different power for stainless steel. If you want to improve the proficiency, proficiency, of course you can choose hand power or machine. This page is for copper or brass. Hello, hi, hello, do you want to I see you are looking at our UV laser marking machine, right? If you have interest for this machine, of course you can also send us inquiry. Okay? Hi, Christine. Hi. Welcome to our live show. Now I'm introduce the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, continue. Now let's to see some machine. Let's to see the machine details of our laser cutting machine. First is the laser source. For laser source, we adopt. We can choose Rickers, Max, IPG, JPT, and some other brand. And the second one is the laser cutting head. We adopt imported fiber laser cutting head with dynamic autofocus function and can keep some distance according to mental sheet and cutting head during cutting. And for working platform, this is a drawer and the cutting platform. After mental sheet cutting, the small pieces will fall down into this drawer with easy collection. And three, about the about the observation window. The green glass cover window can filter the glass beam, no eye injury, and have good protection on the user. And about the PC control system. Japan imports the servo motor in the driver system. Extreme precision make a moving precision machine learning operate smoothly, reliable, and free maintenance. Seven is a double rig. Adopt double driver rig transmission system. It can ensure the cutting precision and fast speed. So all our laser cutting machine with a double rig. Eight is the control system. We adopt NC Studio or Cap1 or Cap2 control system, which have powerful edit function that can meet a wide range of cutting needs. This is drawer. It is used easily to collect the metal pieces. After cutting, there are some many metal pieces. So we design such drawer. It is very convenient to collect the metal pieces. Last one is a water chiller. Water chiller is a very important part for this machine. It can increase the stability of cutting power, support water flow testing, make the cutting power more stable, avoid material cutting, and completely enhance the working efficiency. Okay, now I just have introduced the small cabinet laser cutting machine. Now we will introduce our bigger size laser cutting machine with model PEF3015 with a working area of 3 meters by 1.5 meters. Okay, here's the working video for this machine. Here you see the cutting speed is very fast and with the most high precision. the main structure for this machine is including control cabinet, laser optic bridge, laser cutting head, and material feeding well. It adopts a heavy machine body, adopts a heavy loading bed. It is stronger and stable. Adopt 100 mm by 100 mm, 16 square meter tube. Stable, heavy loading. Working table max load can reach to 2,000 kilograms. It do not destroy after long time using. Number 2, we adopt Switzerland imported laser cutting head with dynamic focus function. That means our laser cutting is autofocus function. So, number 3 is powerful laser source. We adopt Ricoh's Max IPG N-Light and also DBT brand laser source. It is a wide selective of operation wavelengths. It is high stability and ultra long lifetime. Number 4 is the saw two-step working table. Saw two-step working table. It can load very large and with a very heavy holding for the large and heavy metal sheets. And we adopt the Panasonic servo motor. Increase the cutting speed and stability positioning accuracy can up to 0.05 mm. The maximum speed of moving speed is about 90 meters per minute. The maximum efficiency cutting range is about 1.5 meters by 3 meters. Number 6 is the Taiwan-made heavy linear guide rail. Adopt Taiwan's heavy linear guide rail. It is with high positional accuracy and high positional accuracy. It is stable for high-speed movements and greatly reduce the during horsepower required by the machine. It is easy to assemble and interchangeable. Hello everyone. Welcome to live show. I'm today's host Nico. I'm introducing the laser cutting machine for you. If you have any problem, just send me the question here. Bore auto feeding design. Adopt feeding well design make the material feeding easier, than saving labor energy. Hello Emma, hi. Welcome to our live show for laser cutting machine. If you have any problems or any inquiry of our products, just send to here. Please don't hesitate. And this is the powerful water chiller. Increase the stability of cutting powers to support water flowing test. Makes the cutting power more stable. Avoid material cutting and completely. And next is the DSP control panel. Our machine with a DSP control panel, then you don't need to operate the machine on the computer, just handle this DSP control panel. You can control machine more easily and conveniently. Okay, now let's introduce the another model. Which this model is the most advantage for this model is it can cut both mental sheets and also round pad. Okay, now let's choose the video. Okay, now let's introduce more details. Hi, hello, welcome to our live show. I will now introduce the laser cutting machine. This model can cut both mental sheets and also round pipe or tube. This is the main structure. Here show you some samples. We can see from the sample, you can see it can cut all different angle and on the mental pipe and and round pipe or square round tube or square tube. And here's the product details. The first is the laser source. For laser source, we adopt well-known IPG, Recas, Max, and some other brand. Number two is a laser cutting head with dynamic focus system. Our laser cutting head with autofocus function that is more convenient for you to operate the machine. And number three is the Japan imported 750 watts Panasonic servo motor and driving system. All our laser cutting machine adopt Panasonic servo motor. It is with very high precision. Number four is about the rotary cutting system. Standard cutting diameter is 150 millimeters by 6 meters long. It also can be customized according to your special requirement. The unique design of the rotary system can avoid technical problems cannot concentrate when the pipe is bent or cut. It can continuously cut each angle without any stop and is very fast. And with LCD controller, control panel and system with the English version, easy to learn and operate. And of course, also equipped with the DSP control module, DSP handle. The DSP handle is wireless and portable, easily to control the movement of the laser cutting head without from all directions. No need to come to the computer, just operate on the DSP controller. Number 7 is the auto fading ball design, easy for fading the flat materials from all directions. Number 8 is the auto lubrication device. The G-grade can be automatically lubricated, ensure the risks of the precision and long time using. This is the water chiller. We adopt the famous KND 3 HP high power water chiller. It can keep the laser head in comfortable working temperature all the time. Hello. Hi, welcome to our live show. If you have any problems for us, just don't be hesitant to contact us. Okay, now why choose for laser cutting machine? First, laser beam fiber laser has a, in the market there are plasma cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, YAG laser cutting machine, and the CO2 laser cutting machine. The reason why I choose fiber laser cutting machine is the special advantages. First, laser beam high quality. Fiber laser has a smaller autofocus diameter and high working efficiency, high accuracy in the cutting quality. Number 2 is high cutting speed. Cutting speed is more than 60 millimeters per minute. Number 3 is stable running. Adopt Ricar's laser source and other brand laser source with stable performance. Lifetime can reach to 10,000 hours or more. With high efficiency for photoelectric conversion. Compared with CO2 laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine have 3 times conversion efficiency. Number 5 is low cost. It can save energy and protect the environment. 3 free of maintenance. Fiber optic transmission, no need reflect lens without optic adjustment, save maintenance cost. Number 7 is easy operation. Hello, Dan. Hello, Jessie. Hello. Okay, now let's introduce the model PF2060. This model is mainly for mainly for all kinds of round or square pipe or tube cutting. It is cannot for cutting metal sheets, it's just for pipe or tube. And the length can up to 3 meter, 6 meter or 8 meter. The diameter can be up to 200 millimeter or 300 millimeter. This is the main structure of including control operation panel with a cutting head, rotary fixture, and rotary fixture head. And here are some samples. Okay, now let's see the video of this model. Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. Now I'm introducing the fiber laser cutting machine for you. Fiber laser cutting machine is mainly used for cutting all kinds of metal materials. And this model is the video show is mainly for round or square metal tube. Okay, now let's introduce more details for the machine. Adopt Germany's latest laser technology, ensure the stable performance for all of laser cutting machine. Number two, Iron casting heavy machine body. Adopt a heavy loading machine body, stronger and stable. Heavy loading don't distortion after a long time using. Number 3, the laser source. Adopt Regards, Max, APG, JPT, and some other brand. Has the smallest and average laser beam. Free of maintenance and no need adjustment. 4 is a rotary fixture. Tightly fixed metal round pipe or square tube can feed the tubes during cutting automatically. Is the laser cutting head. Laser cutting head adopt Switzerland imported brand with the autofocus function. The red light pointer. Or the laser beam is invisible. Red light pointer can indicate the laser beam position. It makes the cutting more accurate. It's the unique mirrors in the lens control cooling system. All mirrors are cooled by circulation water. It takes the heat of the mirror during the working. Prolong mirror lifetime and save operating cost. Enable is the DSP control panel. In DSP control panel enable removement control anywhere, easy to operate. Now, here's the main cutting data. Is the data. This is the comparison between two models. This is the machine operating cost. It depends on the whole machine power and assistant gas. Setting 18% for example, and in China 1 RMB for 1000 watts electricity. Machine power 1300 watts. Whole machine is 12 kilowatts, 1000 watts. Here is an example for the cost. For the cost, you can check. You can have a reference. This is a machine operating cost for different kinds of gas. Oxygen and nitrogen. All our machine and quality control system. We doing 48 hours 72 hours again test. This is our engineer in our customer's side for installation of the machine or yes, here are some picture of our customers with our engineer. Okay, now let's to introduce. Just now we have introduced 4 models of our laser cutting machine. Now let's to introduce more about our company. First, it's about the after-sale service. Normally, the guarantee time is 12 months from the date on which the commodity arrives at the port of destination, except the damaged artificially and conveniently consumables. Park Laser were responsible for offering the fitting phase of charge during the guarantee period. Well, please kindly send back the damaged fittings to us before we sending back the alternative fitting parts. Number 2, we will give technician guide by online meeting when we meet some problem in the installation, operation, adjusting, and maintaining. Number 3, we will offer technician support to ensure this safety using and maintenance for you, including operating manual for installation, adjusting, operation, maintaining, professional cutting software backup, quick supplement of key components with reasonable price. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to our live show. If you have any problems for our company or for our laser cutting machine, feel free to contact us. Okay, now why choose Perfect Laser? First, Perfect Laser with 26 years of professional experience in laser field, or our products with CE, ISO, RoHS, TÜV, and SGS certificated. Our product has exported to more than 180 countries in the area, with good feedbacks and reputation from our customers all over the world. And we supply 2 hours quick response and 24 hours technical support. Our machine have with 24 hours, 48 hours running test and 72 hours again test. For 5 laser cutting machine, we supply 20 days delivery time with VCD training and training video and manual book. And of course, you can also send a technician to your side if necessary. Here are some more certificates of our company. We got CE, ISO, RoHS, TÜV, and some other certificates. This is what we do, our most hot selling one. This is for bigger size open type one. everyone, this is Nico from Perfect Laser. Here I will pleasure to take you look at our laser cutting machine. Perfect Laser has been in laser field over 20 years, like a laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, and laser welding machine. In near future, we will introduce more details on those machines. Today I will show you laser cutting machine. Based on the market and customers, Perfect Laser supply whole sets of cutting solutions like metal sheets, 8D round device that can cut square pipe and round tubes. Choosing Perfect Laser, we will provide the whole solutions for you. We deserve your trust. Okay, today I will show you the basic model fiber laser cutting machine which used for metal sheets cutting. The working area for this cutting machine is with 3 meters long by 1.5 meters wide. With so large performance cutting area, it can meet the needs like all kinds of metal processing. We can also make a larger area like 4 by 2 meters, 3 by 2 meters. It will according to your needs. The power of the machine is we can supply 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, 3000 watts, 4000 watts, and 6000 watts. The power choosing will be decided by different cutting thickness. Fiber laser cutting machine is widely used for all kinds of metal sheets with high precision. The application includes some hardware parts, kitchen cabinets, metal crafts, advertising letters, hotel nameplates, and so on. It can cut all kinds of materials like stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, iron, zinc, copper, brass, and galvanized plates. Our fiber laser cutting machine with following advantages. It has the most excellent laser beam quality. Our fiber laser cutter with the smaller focus diameter and high work efficiency and high cutting quality. The biggest advantage of our laser cutting machine is the high precision and high speed. Number 2, high cutting speed. The cutting speed of our machine can up to 65 meters minutes, about 3 times higher compared to CO2 laser cutting machine. Number 3 is long lifetime. Our machine adopts world-famous laser source with stable performance. The lifetime of key parts can reach to 10,000 hours. The machine can be used at least Our machine adopts the famous laser source with the machine can be used at least 10 years. Number 4 is the less maintenance and easy operate. Not like other laser machine, this laser machine is no need to adjust the laser beam. And it is also its autofocus function, so it is very easy to operate and learn. Number 5. Lower running cost. For this machine, the running cost is very slow. Later, I will show you the details. Now let's see some samples. Here Here you can see some samples on the screen. You can cut stainless steel. The cutting line is fine and the angle is very sharp, and the workpieces is particularly beautiful. The cutting edge is no burn, no handy slug, and is very clean and smooth. Now let me introduce more details about the machine. Here you can see the working table. Adopt a heavy machine body. The thickness is up to 3 mm. The weight of the whole machine about 2.5 tons, and the max loading capacity of working table is up to 2,000 kilograms. It will not be deformed after long time working. The laser source is the most important part for laser cutting machine. Our machine adopts IPG from USA or Rickers or Max. Those are Chinese famous brand. Our laser source with the features of good stability and easy adjusting, 10 years of lifetime, and without maintenance. Our laser cutting machine out of Switzerland imported Reuters laser cutting head. The head with dynamic autofocus system. As the last plate is usually not flat, so autofocus function can automatically adjust the distance between the laser head and the plate to make sure the cutting efficiency and accuracy. Red pointer. As the laser beam is invisible light, we add a red pointer for the machine to help to find the location position of the laser beam. Preview and pre-running function. Before cutting, we use this function. Then we can see clearly of the position of cutting. Then it can improve the utilization of the materials. Okay, next one is our machine use top Japanese imported Panasonic servo motor. We use four piece of 750 watts of servo motor, while other supplier, in order to save cost, they just use 500 watts servo motor. There is a big price difference, and we use Taiwan having linear guide rail. The precision accuracy is less than 0.5, and repeated precision accuracy is 0.03 mm. Other supplies cannot reach such high precision. The rig is from Taiwan YCC brand. The machine also is an automatic lubrication system. It can lubricate the whole machine, screws, and guide rail. 8 minutes lubricate the guide rail about 500 times. Water chiller. The using of water cooling can take away the heat generated by working and extending the lifetime of the laser head and laser source. convenient collection system, which with a special final design on both sides to collect the metal pieces after cutting. Dust cover. We adopt fail retardant materials. This dust cover designed to protect the guardrail away from the dust. Considering the inconvenience of loading and unloading for large metal sheet plates, we designed the feeding board. We designed the feeding board to easily solve this problem, saving time and efforts. The machine adopts DSP handle operation. It is more convenient for you to do the flexible positioning and cutting operation. No need back to computer. About the operation of this machine, here I will into the cutting steps by professional cutting software. We adopt NC Studio or CapCut professional laser cutting software. Our software is the latest version with powerful edit function. This is the industrial computer. All related software and parameters have been installed and set well before sending out to our customers. The operate is very easy. First, choose a geographic and select the pictures to set the parameters, then to cut. It is so easy. It can support DXF, PLT, G-code, and many other geographic formats. About maintain. First, the machine needs to work on a cleaning environment. The focus lens needs to change every half year. Number 3, the water in the water chiller needs to change every month if work every day. Number 4 is the lubrication. Now let's introduce some details about the machine operating cost. Is assistant gas. First is compressed air. Compressed air is the most economical and cheap. If you choose cut some thin metal, so even cutting by compressed air, the effect is good, such as if you choose 1000 watts of machine to just cut 0.5 or just 1 millimeter, then you can just choose compressed air to cut it. The effect is good. Next is the Nutrigen. When cutting stainless steel, if you use Nutrigen, the cutting effect is the best. No any burn and very smooth. Oxygen. Usually used for cutting carbon steel. For example, if you want to use 100 watts to cut 2 millimeters carbon steel, if with compressed air to cut, the cutting speed is just 3 meters per minute. If you choose oxygen, the speed can up to 4 meters per minute. Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. Here I'm showing a video of our laser cutting machine. You can see the cutting speed is very fast and with a high precision. It can be widely used in kitchen well or some other industry. This is the main structure of the machine. These are the machine details for each part. The first part, the heavy machine body adopt a heavy loading bed. Stronger and stable adopt 100 mm by 100 mm by 6 mm 6 square meter tube. Stable heavy loading working table one slot can reach to 500 kilograms. Do not destroy after long time using. Switzerland imported a laser cutting head with dynamic focus function. This is a video about our company. This is our common building. If you have a chance, welcome to visit us. If you you will into our company from this gate. And this is the whole building of our factory. And here are some cutting samples. In the application industry, it is with wide applications such as hardware, lamp, car, machinery, kitchen, bodybuilding, and so on. And this is the 3 hot selling models. This is the most hot selling models. It is a small scale with 4 cabinet, with 4 cover. It is most customers' choice. Here is the cutting thickness for reference. We have 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, 3000 watts, 4000 watts, and 600 watts. Here show you the best, the best and max cutting thickness for each power for each materials. For each power on different materials. And different power on different materials, of course, with different speed and different price. Here is the speed. This is the main part for the machine. The most and the core part is the laser source. The second one is the laser cutting head. The next one is the platform and water chiller. Okay, today in order to thanks for watching, we have prepared the following benefits for you. If you buy over $3,000, you will enjoy 100 discount. And if you buy more than 3,000, you can get a discount of $50. And in our live show, you can get a 2 years warranty. Usually, placing order in a year warranty. So this is very cost effective. We have full introduction of our fiber laser cutting machine. We can make sure you will have no worry about the warranty. So please go to place order right now. Okay, above is our introduction of our fiber laser cutting machine and fiber laser cutting machine. Thank you so much for your watching and for your time. believe you must get an understanding of how to choose and how to use the fiber laser cutting machine through our live show. If you like our machine, please feel free to call us and chat online. Send an inquiry to us right now. If you want to more watch live show, please subscribe our channel by click the following. Then you will not miss our live show next time. I'm sure you will get what you want here. Okay, it's time to say goodbye now. Perfect Laser is willing to be your reliable partner from now and forever. Thanks again for your time. Waiting for your order and see you next time. Bye.